Hello and welcome back to our regular expression course on freeCodeCamp. This is match characters that occur 0 or more times. It says the last challenge, use the plus sign to look for characters that occur 1 or more times. There's also an option that matches characters that occur 0 or more times. The character to do this is the asterisk or star. We have here let soccer word be assigned goal. We have let G phrase be gut feeling. O phrase is over the moon. Go regex, that's our regex there. So when we do soccer word dot match, it would return go, since it's matching that pattern, but not the other part. G phrase, the go regex would return G. O would return null. So for this challenge, Chewy quote has been initialized as R. Behind the scenes, create a regex, Chewy regex that uses the asterisk character to match an uppercase A character immediately followed by 0 or more lowercase a characters in Chewy quote. Your regex does not need flags or character classes, and it should not match any of the other quotes. So let's start off changing this part here. So it wants us to use the star that we just learned, which would target 0 or more, to match uppercase A. So if we match uppercase A, well, let's just copy this. First Chewy quote should be to tell us, yeah, Chewy quote has been initialized, even though it doesn't show that it's been initialized. Did I erase it? I'm not sure why it's not there, but let's just add Chewy quote. There it is. And we want it to be equal to this here. Oh, there's an exclamation point there. I believe we want to target that. And then in here where we're going to change this line, we're going to, it says not to bother with flags. So we just really want to target the A, and then with an A, a little a that follows. And we want to use what we learned, the asterisk, and that is after, I believe. Yes, after. So within here, we just add our asterisk. So if we do console.log and our result, we do get A, and because there is 0 or more little a's after, it does capture that all the way to the last A. So if we run this, we should pass. We did pass. So we're just again building on previous lessons. Here we're using asterisk to target 0 or more characters, or it matches characters that occur 0 or more times, and that's what we did. We matched that character, these characters. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.